There was a time. I had nothing. No money. No confidence. No direction. Just pain, silence, and questions that echoed every night. I was at rock bottom. I felt like the world had moved on without me. Like I was invisible. People only saw the smile I forced. But inside, I was breaking, every day. I wanted to quit. Everything. But somewhere deep inside, there was a tiny spark. A voice that said, "You've survived 100% of your worst days. So why stop now?" I started small. Woke up earlier. Read one page. Did one push-up. Spoke one kind word to myself. That was day one. And I promised myself, there would be a day two. People laughed. They doubted. But I kept showing up. Not for them. For me. Because I realized. Success isn't about luck. It's about consistency. It's about showing up when no one's clapping. When no one's watching. When no one believes. And slowly, life started to change. Not overnight. But every single day. I became 1% better. Stronger. Wiser. And today. I'm no longer at rock bottom. I'm standing on it. Because that's what I built my foundation on. So if you're watching this, and you feel lost. Broken, like you're running out of hope. I want you to know. This isn't the end of your story. This is just the plot twist. One day, you'll look back and say, "That was the moment I turned pain into power. That was the moment I rose." Your comeback starts now. And trust me. It's going to be legendary. If this spoke to your soul, don't forget to like, comment your story, and subscribe for more. You're not alone.